Lime plaster has graced the world for thousands of years. It's a healthy alternative to conventional paints, and its beauty is unparalleled. After years of continual improvement and countless installations, our blends and methods have been perfected and are being brought to you in this unique format. With our supplemental videos, comprehensive workbook, and a live mentor, we ensure ultimate success and happiness for all of our students' projects. If you're a painter, a drywaller, a curious homeowner, or even a modern-day plasterer who wants to try something new, our traditional Lime Plaster course is for you.